Now we will see next sum, that is seventh one. Now this is our seventh question of exercise 2.3. According to the question, x equal to 4 upon 5 into bracket x plus 10. Now as you can see, here fraction is given and then bracket is given 4 upon 5 and then bracket x plus 10. So how to solve this type of sum? So first of all, keep in mind that you can't transpose this 10 or this x because they are in bracket. So directly from the bracket you can't take the terms here and there. That will be wrong step. Okay, you can't shift 10, you can't shift this x. First you need to remove this 4 upon 5. Okay, so we need to think how to remove this and then we need to go to this bracket part. Okay, so what you can do is you can multiply 4 here in the bracket and 5 is in division, so you can shift 5. So this 4 upon 5, we need to start with this. Okay, so first of all 5 is in division, so 5 we will take this side. One by one we will remove the fraction. So 5 will come here, so 5 into x. 5 into x will be 5x. Okay, and here now 5 is removed. So what is left? 4 into bracket x plus 10. So this we are getting next step. Now this part will be same, 5x. Here 4 will be multiplied inside the bracket. We need to open this bracket. So 4 will be multiplied with x and 4 will be multiplied with 10, with both. So 4 into x will be 4x plus 4 into 10 will be 40. Okay, so 5x equal to 4x plus 40. Now it becomes simple. Fraction is not there, bracket is open. Now simple. So like terms keep together. 4x we will shift here. So it will be 5x minus 4x. Here it was positive, so we have to change the sign. So 5x minus 4x. Here 40 is left. What is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4 is 1x or only x. Both are same. So x is equal to 40. So we got the value of x. X is equal to 40. Now we need to keep it here, LHS and RHS part. So LHS part is only x. No need to solve. Only x is given. LHS is only x, as you can see. So and x we know, x is 40. So LHS is done. Now RHS part. So what is our RHS? RHS you need to solve. 4 upon 5 into bracket x plus 10. This is our RHS. Now keep the value of x that we have already got, 40. So 4 upon 5 bracket here 40 plus 10 bracket close. Now first of all we need to solve the bracket part. Okay, so 4 upon 5 and 40 plus 10 will give you 50. Okay, here no sign is given, means which sign is there? Multiplication, that we know. So here whenever it is given like this, there is no sign, so multiplication sign is always there. Now 50 and 5 we can cancel it. Cancellation is possible. 5 ones are and 5 tens are. So 4 into 10 is left. Denominator is 1. So 1 if we don't write then also it is correct. So 4 into 10. This is left. So 4 tens are will give you 40. 4 tens are we will get 40. So LHS also 40. RHS also 40. Both are same. So our answer is correct and this way we have checked the result. At the end write down LHS equal to RHS.